SUNY Oswego is a top-ranked public university on the scenic shores of Lake Ontario in New York. With more than 6,500 students, including over 200 international students, Oswego has built lasting global ties with learners from 35-plus countries. Among them are students from 16 African nations. They choose Oswego for academic excellence, hands-on learning, and a community that supports their goals. Our president, Peter Wosu, was born in Nigeria. His story reflects the opportunities Oswego provides for international students.
I know what it means to leave home in pursuit of knowledge and opportunity. That I know. And I want you to know that you won't be taking that journey alone.
At Oswego, students gain real-world skills from day one through research, internships, and project-based learning. Our graduates succeed. 97% are employed or in graduate school within 6 months. You'll study in cutting-edge facilities like the Shineman Center for Science, Engineering, and Innovation, the newly renovated Hewitt Hall for Media and Design, and the Rice Creek Field Station for Environmental Science. We are in the midst of a more than $300 million campus transformation, all designed to help students thrive in a global economy. Plus, with one of the largest computer chip manufacturing plants in the world planned just down the road, students have even more pathways to gain experience and launch careers.
Coming to the US, I wanted to do a PhD to further my education, but I wanted something first to have a taste of the American educational system. The MBA here is very, very unique in that it can be tailored.
Oswego's international reach is matched by its commitment to student support and diverse ideas.
They are bringing their perspectives into the classroom, bringing their experiences into the classroom, and letting our students understand that they probably have much more in common with students from other countries than they had previously thought.
People are coming into your class from different perspectives. It's not about right and wrong perspective. It's about a perspective that will be sustainable in solving a problem. And what that means is that you are preparing students for a globalized world where they will now be part of a team.
That global support often begins before students even arrive.
The International Students Office reached out to me asking if I wanted to pursue a degree here at SUNY Oswego, and that's how I got here.
My research is actually international. I work on plants, and my research took me to a lot of places, including Africa, West Africa, East Africa, and South Africa.
Our programs in business, engineering, computer science, and communications create real-world opportunities.
I came to Oswego because of its incredibly strong business program and all the endless resources made available for students to be successful and to engage into research.
SUNY Oswego combines academic excellence, affordable tuition, and a vibrant international community, all on the scenic shores of Lake Ontario. It's a safe, supportive place to grow, learn, and prepare for a global future.
At SUNY Oswego, you will find a community that values your voice, supports your goals, and celebrates your success. So if you're ready to invest in your future, to grow as a scholar and as a leader, and to join a university that believes in the power of international education, I invite you to make SUNY Oswego your home. We can't wait to welcome you.